Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enter BIOS on your HUAWEI MateBook D16. It is pretty simple. First you need to shut down your laptop, so I'm gonna go to the start button, then I'm gonna click on the power button and go to shut down. After it shuts down, wait for additional I would say 15 seconds to make sure that it's fully off, so the fans need to stop spinning, and also any lights on keyboard should also be turned off. And after that, press on the power button, and after you release it, immediately start pressing on the F2 key and hold continuously until you get into BIOS. So first let's press on the power button, then on the F2 key. We need to press and hold. And now we are in the setup utility. So this is how it looks. You can also click on this arrow down here to move between pages, or just use the arrows to go down, and then you'll just scroll down. And to exit, you can load default, save and exit, or exit without saving. So I'm gonna go to exit without saving, then click on enter, then click on enter to confirm, and now it will boot me back into system. For further tutorials about BIOS setup, how to change some options in BIOS, watch other videos on our channel. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.